Millie bought a car 3 years ago. At the end of the first year, the value of the car had decreased by 12.5%. The value of the car then decreased by 10% each year for the next 2 years. At the end of the 3 years, the value of the car was 17,010. Work out the value of the car when Millie bought it 3 years ago. So the first thing I think I could do is, assume some value. Millie bought the car 3 years ago, so suppose the value of the car was pound X. Okay, so that was the value of the car, the price of the car, I should say. Price of the car was pound X. So at the end of the first year, the value of the car decreased by 12.5%. So it's a decrease, okay? So that means I could do 100 minus 12.5, and that equals 0.57, and then is 80. So 87.5% of the value of X. So the value of the car would be pound 0.875x. Okay, so then the value of the car decreased by 10% each year for the next 2 years. So this is after 1 year. Then for 2 years, so after 2 years what happened? So 10% is 100 minus 10, that is 90%. So for 2 years the value would be decreased by 10%. So the value after 2 years, or 3 years I should say, so value after 3 years would be 90. So that's 0.9 the power 2 for 2 years times, we can do this, 0.875x, and that would be equal to 0.81 multiplied by 0.875, and that is 0.70875x. So now we can do the equating. So this would be equal to, so 0.70875x would be equal to 17,010. So let us do that. 70875x is equal to 17,010, and that therefore we'd get x equals 17,010 divided by 0.70875, and that is 24,000. So the value of the car when Millie bought it 3 years ago is 24,000 pounds. And that is the answer.